Most creators think they just need one good hook at the start of a video, but then they wonder why their attention graph falls off a cliff after the first 30 seconds. But here's the thing, your viewers' brains check out way more often than you think. And because I'm helping multiple six-figure brands scale with YouTube, I've realized the difference between videos that keep retention and videos that lose it. And it all comes down to this simple technique called rehooks. So what is a rehook? Well, the textbook definition is a mini hook or a transition used after a section to re-engage attention and prevent viewers from clicking away. So you want to think of it like a Netflix cliffhanger, but every 30 to 40 seconds. The purpose of this is to fight against natural attention decay because of TikTok, create curiosity loops that keep them engaged, bridge the different sections in the video so that it feels smooth, and of course for us to maximize watch time. But here's what most people don't know about rehook. Your viewer's brain checks out approximately every 30 to 40 seconds. And so without a rehook, your attention graph is going to fall off like a cliff. You want to think of a rehook as a dopamine hit that resets their attention span. So the longer you keep them watching, the more YouTube is going to push your YouTube video. So that is the difference between videos with 30% retention and videos with 70% retention. But wait, how many times do you actually need to use these in your video? So this is what I call the timing formula. You want to use this every 30 to 40 seconds in a video or after every single major point. So early on in the video, from the 0 to 33% mark, you want to use these a lot more frequently, about every 20 to 30 seconds. Towards the middle of the video, around the 50% mark, you want to use these every 30 to 40 seconds. Then later on, towards the end of the video, you want to space them out a lot more because the people watching this long are most likely extremely engaged. But the key point is to not let more than 45 seconds go by without using a rehook, or else your retention graph is going to fall off like a cliff. Now, let's talk about exactly how to write it. So here are some rehook examples. Let's say you have a teaser. You could say something like, but that's not even the best part. Let's say you have a challenge. You could say something like, if you skip this step, you'll regret it later. If you're trying to intrigue people, you could say something like, here's what most people get wrong. And if you're trying to make a promise, you could say something like, this next point is going to change how you script forever. So you want to keep them short and punchy and make sure they naturally lead into the next point. Don't force it, make it feel very conversational, like a FaceTime call. And by the way, you can rewind this video and go find all the rehooks that I used on you. You probably didn't even notice. So of course, if you want to turn YouTube into your main client acquisition source in 2026, click the first link below to book a free call with my agency. Otherwise, click this video on screen next because YouTube thinks you'll enjoy that video a lot more.